The next topic to be discussed is circles. How you can define a circle? The definition is a circle is the path of a point moving at the same distance from a fixed point. Now, you have a question in your mind. What is the fixed point? How you can define it? It's very easy. The fixed point is the center. Okay, making it more clear, you can check it out in figure 4.24. Here the center is named as point C, but along with the C you can see many other alphabets written on the circle. So like A, P, B, M are the points on the circle, whereas C is a point from where we start drawing the circle with the help of a rounder. So our center point is C. Okay, coming on to the next topic for our definitions is the circumference. Children, the circumference is currently not in our course, but to define a circumference, again please listen it carefully. The distance around the circle is the circumference, or you can say the boundary of the circle is called the circumference. Do not panic. Circumference is nothing but a similar word to perimeter. The term or the definition of perimeter and circumference is same. Okay. Now coming on to the current topics which we are going to study is radius. How you can define a radius? Listen it to carefully. The radius is a line segment that connects the center to a point on the circle. Again, it might be quite difficult to understand, but let me clear it for you. Okay, as I said, the center point is point C. Right? So our radius starts from point C and ends on the circle. Now, I already had said that there are alphabets written on the circle. There are A, P, B and M. Okay. In other words, if you check it out in figure 4.24, you will see the line segment CA, line segment CP, line segment CB and line segment CM. Each line segment is radius of the circle. Please remember, radius always starts with the center point and ends on the circle. You cannot interchange the alphabets. Like if the center point is C, you have to start with C and end on the alphabet A or whatever the alphabet is given. But here you cannot change the alphabets. Okay, one thing more to understand, that if one radius is given, it is singularly called radius. But if there are more radius, you will not call it radius, but the plural form of radius will convert into radii. So collectively CA, CP, CB, CM are the radii of the circle. Okay, now coming on to the diameter. Okay, before proceeding on to the diameter, children please listen, radius is always the half of the diameter. So whenever the diameter is given and you have to find out the radius, you have to divide the diameter by 2. Is that clear?